Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the color of the window on the ibisPaint X application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and go to your home page. And then all you have to do is clicking on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now go to the user interface section, and as you can see, the second option is the window color option, so you can either set it to black or white. So you can decide between these two options. So click on the relevant one, and then if you are done with tapping on the one that you prefer, save your changes by clicking on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of that section. So now this function has been updated and you are ready to change it anytime you feel like to do so by repeating the same steps that I have just shown you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.